Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Cooking for Dads. Smoke Hollow BBQ smoker, first time use. We have the charcoal chimney with some paper on the bottom that started, and it's working on setting the coals on fire. This is a pretty easy process. I should just be able to leave it now. I have about 1.5 or 2 liters of water in a tray over here that I will use to humidify the smoker. It's going to take about 4.5 or 5 hours to smoke this. I'm going to smoke on this side, and I'll be putting oak onto this side. So this side will be the heat exchange, and I'll end up putting potatoes and carrots on top of this later, but I'll be slow smoking on this side with about a 3 kilogram piece of chuck roast, and it's going to be beautiful. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Much love to everybody. Thank you always for watching, and I'll show you what's happening here shortly. Hey everyone, there we are. We have our coals started underneath, and I've got some oak on right now. That'll catch up really nicely, and soon I'm going to lay this log out a little bit more flat, and I'll put the grill down, and I'll close the lid. Okay, here we are back at the barbecue. I'm gonna add the beef onto the right side. The temperature is a little bit high. That will go down very soon, I'm sure. So, ooh, wow, that's amazing. I'm going to use 2 forks to put the beef over top of the water. Like so. You can see the fire has come back up, so I'm going to close this. Let that temperature come back down here. I'm going to control it via the vents, and we'll get that down to about 250 again, and this is going to take 4 to 5 hours to cook. So on the side, I'm going to be doing barbecue potatoes. I'll wrap them in tin foil with some onion, butter, salt, and pepper to my taste. And then I've decided I'm going to do some barbecued carrots. I'm going to put whole carrot, half carrots lengthwise into a tin foil with butter, and I'm going to use the rest of the rub that I left down there. I'm going to put that with the carrots. That actually will caramelize the carrots beautifully. I don't know how well done I'm going to make them yet, but the taste will be amazing, I guarantee it. So I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. We're sitting pretty around 200 here Fahrenheit. And I want to check the internal temperature of the beef with meat thermometer. So I want to hit about 65 degrees Celsius, which is a safe, about 147 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a safe temperature for beef. So let's check it out. Oh, my God, that looks good. Whew. There it is, everyone. Chuck roast smoked on a Smoke Hollow charcoal barbecue. Looks gorgeous. No flames have touched this today. This is purely smoked for over 5 hours, 5.5 hours. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Now I have to let this rest for about 20, maybe even up to 30 minutes. I'm just going to let this sit for a bit, cool down, and let it rest, let the juices coagulate inside, and then I'll get into cutting it and we'll do a taste test shortly. I think this is going to be excellent, guys. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Here we go. I'm going to cut it with this bread knife. Oh. Oh my God. You go. You should come and look at this. How does that look? Is that beautiful? Yeah. Look at that. Pink, beautifully smoked on the outside. Oh my God. This is unbelievable. Whew. Let's take this first one. Take one up, Yuko. Let's try it. How is it? Come on, let's go. Is that good or what? Wow. Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Cooking for Dads. Today we used the Smoke Hollow BBQ for the first time, and we did this beautiful chuck roast on it, and it took about 5.5 hours. Did a nice rub. The recipe will be in the description. Here's the result. We have dinner for my daughter Ayura, kiwis, tomatoes, barbecue potato with onion, and of course our carrots that were also done in the same rub as the beef was done. So look at that, gorgeous, medium rare, beautiful. It's rested very well, and we're gonna do a taste test now. So let me get Ayu in here. Ayu, where are you? Hello. Oh, there you are. Hello. Are you ready? Let's get a taste test, okay? How's that taste? You okay? How's that taste? Ready? What do you want to do? Go. How many thumbs? Right at the camera here, girl. Very good. Nice. 2 thumbs up, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. Yume is hungry, apparently. We'll see you next time. Gotta go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.